If you are watching this video, there is a big chance that you are very serious about starting your deal sourcing business, just like I did, just like my coaching students did as well. My name is Vincent, and I help achievers just like yourself to grow their business, whether it's in a property or in other fields. A deal sourcer is someone who finds property deals, offer them to investors, and get the commission out of it. People often ask me, what is the investor takes the deal, steal it from me, don't pay me any commission? That type of things I'll be explaining in this video. The first step is to find deals. You need to have a solid process how to find lucrative deals for your investors. Essentially, what we are selling here is saving time for our investors. On our side, we are doing research and finding the best deals. If you are wondering how to find deals, there is many methods, but my favorite one is rent-to-rent service accommodation, where you find landlords, you convince them or make them an offer why they should give your property under a rent-to-rent service accommodation contract basis, and you have a deal. And this deal I can sell in 15 minutes, no question asked, and I can get £3,000 chin chin. The second step is to find those people who will buy those deals / investors. There are many ways you can do it. Either networking with people, as I did explain on my previous video, which you can check it right now over here. You can run campaigns, you can go to auction houses, so many options. The rule of thumb is to think where you can find those people who are ready to buy your investment deals. Number 3, build great personal brand. The smartest way to increase your revenue is to build a brand and good reputation. So the investor will be coming back to you, and also you can get recommendation from those same investors. And the best is the people, when they are happy with your services, they'll be talking about it. So instead of investing your time and money into your new clients all the time, you can have recurring clients from those past investors. Now, if you are just starting how you can get your first clients to build your reputation? Find a deal for an investor for free of charge in exchange for a testimonial. Investors don't have anything to lose. If they decided to go with you, they just saved £3,000 to £5,000 on sourcing fee. If the deal is really good, they will go with you, they'll want to work with you, and believe me, they'll give you a good recommendation or testimonial. How do you stop investors from stealing a deal from you so you're gonna get your sourcing fee? Some people are signing NDA contract, but in my opinion, I think it's useless piece of paper. And the reason to it, would you really take this piece of paper, go to the lawyer and sue this person based on this contract what you had because of £3,000? I don't think so. It is more hassle than worth. So what you need to do, you need to have a payment upfront on your account. And that's how our business works. We take money from the investors first, and after we show them a deal. And if he liked the deal, perfect, he goes ahead. If he doesn't like the deal, we will give him a full refund. You are in charge of your own business. Now, should you look for a property investor first or to find a deal? In my opinion, I'll be focusing on both. I'll be going on networking events and where the investors are hanging out, and I'll be looking for those investors. In the same time, I'll be looking for deals. You can start selling those deals to investors what you have, or if you have none, you can co-source with another people. Either way, you need to do both. Now, trust me, starting a deal sourcing business or any other property business can be overwhelming. But if you are ready to save your time and money and scale your business fast, book a free strategy call with me using the link in the description, just like Solon and Lewis, who I helped to reach £4,000 a month.